Mistplay and Long Game are built for completely different purposes, so deciding which one pays more starts with understanding what each app actually rewards. By the end of this video, you'll know how Mistplay and Long Game differ, which one makes more sense for gamers, and which app is the better fit for your goals in 2026. Here's the direct answer: if you want to earn rewards by playing mobile games, Mistplay is the better choice. If you're looking for an app centered on personal finance and savings habits, Long Game is designed for that instead. Mistplay is a gaming rewards app. You install eligible Android games through the app, play them according to the offer requirements, and earn rewards as you reach qualifying gameplay milestones. The available games and reward opportunities change over time, so the titles you see depend on your device, region, and the promotions currently available. Long Game follows a different model. Rather than rewarding gameplay, it focuses on financial engagement. Its features are built around encouraging savings and other money-related activities, instead of completing levels in mobile games. Because of that difference, these apps aren't direct competitors. Someone searching for a way to earn rewards while gaming will usually get more value from Mistplay. Someone who wants a finance-focused app with incentives is looking for something entirely different. The daily experience also feels different. Mistplay is something you'll spend time using while playing games. You can browse new titles, choose the games you enjoy, and continue progressing through eligible offers over multiple sessions. Long Game is generally used much more briefly. Instead of extended gameplay, you'll interact with the app as part of managing financial activities. If gaming is your hobby, the experience is naturally much less entertainment-focused. Before downloading either app, decide what you actually want from it. If you're comparing the two because you want extra rewards while playing games you already enjoy, Mistplay is the clearer option. If your goal is improving financial habits and using an app built around that purpose, Long Game is the one that matches those needs. Trying to compare the two only by payouts misses the bigger picture because they're rewarding completely different behaviors. The key points are simple. Mistplay rewards eligible mobile gameplay, Long Game centers on financial engagement, and the better app depends on whether you're looking for gaming rewards or a finance-focused experience. Your next step is to choose the app that matches your goal instead of assuming they're designed for the same type of user. If this comparison helped you make the right choice, like the video and subscribe for more app comparisons, reviews, and practical reward app guides.